Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can migrate WordPress website from localhost to live server. So here you can see this is a website that's built with Astra WordPress theme and Elementor. So a professional website for food business. Here you can see amazing layout and design, and you can check products and items are listed here. So now if I want to migrate this website, then we need to install a plugin. You can go from here, as well as you can also go in website dashboard. So now let's go in plugin section and click on add new plugin. Search for Updraft Plus, and you can install this plugin free of cost. Click on install button, click on activate button. Now let's go in Updraft. Click here, then scroll down, click on backup now, then again click here backup now. So now it is creating a full website backup. Backup is created, and now we need to download these files. So click here database, then download to your computer. In the same way we need to download these remaining 4 files. So these are all the files that I downloaded. So now we need to go in live website. So this one is live website. So now here you can see Bluehost. You can go here and you can easily get domain and web hosting. So you can go and check their packages. Then after that you can install WordPress. So after that, now let me go here and log in into my WordPress website. So you need to add wp-admin, then here add login details, and now we need to install Updraft plugin here in live website. So let's go to plugins and click on add plugin. Search for Updraft Plus. Install it, then activate. So now let's go in Updraft Plus, and now scroll down, click here upload backup files, then select the files. So let me go here in downloads and files, then select all the files, click on open button, scroll down. Here you can see files are uploading. So now all the files are uploaded, and now we need to restore this backup. So here you can see this one, restore button, and now let's select, then click on restore and select all of these, then click on next, and click on restore button. And now here you can see restoring process is in progress. Then now here you can see restored successful. So guys, now here you can see website migration is successful from localhost to live server.